Utongo iwangu watanyo ya ethi ya Tabitu Ranch kumakanyonyo vamwe na serikali ya kaunti ya Kitui nimekea sahihi wa wetikelano wa kuthukuma vamwe na kwa ile utume wa kitheka cha Kanyonyo kila githi tuwe itume wane aithi Mabitu Ranch kwa vinda ya sane kana kutethia NND mainene tina kwekia sahihi o maofisini ma governor wa kaunti ya Kitui Utongo imangu watanyo yesu makule serikali kwa ile ya usese kithekane kia ula withito wikita ukinene kwa aithi na NND alama tuitavo kati wa maundwangi wala governor wa kaunti no Dr. Julius Makau Malombe wathana kwatania na serikali nene kwa kisese cha polisi kithekane ki kwa ile usese wa NND pamona mali yo ila yikithekane ki honest.
Serikali ya kaunti ya Kitui Utongo wa ngwatania ya aithi ya Tabitu Ranch ku munthi nimekea sahihi ya mawetekelano ma kuthukuma kwa vakuviri na kwa ile utume wa kitheka cha Kanyonyo kila Kanyonyo wodini ya yata kwa vonza Kitui ruro isezo hii atonzo maofisi ma governor wa kaunti ya Kitui Dr. Julius Makau Malombe wala Utongo wa ngwatania ya Tabitu Ranch maweta kwithia katika kikilekilele to na mayisa to isya ni manzio ya ndethia na kwenda matethi we serikali ya kaunti ya Kitui kuvetangwa alama kwenda kulika kithekani kiu cha vinya na kuvengi sandethia yo.
At the governor and his team are still looking at bringing to the B2 at Ranch to ensure that this cooperative society comes back to its feet and attains even greater heights than what it used to be, because we keep referencing to it used to have 4,000 cows in the early 80s and early 90s. Our forefathers who are there in the early 80s and early 90s, if they came and saw that our target was where they left, you see, they would feel like we are letting them down.
Amwa maundu ala mendhino wa mwetekano mavikana kwekia sahihi na makwenda matethewe no kana kukilia uimi wa indo nthini wa kithika kiu ibamona ku service malelo kutonywa ndovo ikatoa maundu angi.
So long as intruders are allowed to take part of the land at B2 and occupy it unauthorized, the ranch cannot do well. And we are talking about feedlots at B2. Unless intruders are treated harshly and conclusively, to the extent that anyone who dares take part of the land there unauthorized will be dealt with accordingly.
Usese inu awoto kuthea ukitaukirene kwa ndithi yo pamona aithi na vala mena governor Julius Makau Malombe amekithisi kana nuko manengo usese iwa kuyanela mekithekane kiu pamona mali yo.
This is your government, Your Excellency. You are surely able to guarantee us security of B2. Can you do that, Your Excellency?
Nake governor wa kaunti ya Kitui Dr. Julius Makau Malombe nwa mekithisi kana usese inu kwa ila ona kwithia we wa serikali nene nimeokwatania na kwikithia kana niva kwa kisese cha polisi nthini wa kithekane kiu kwikithia indo na NND ala mekithekane kiu mena muguo.
Ningwenda kumuhakikishia Mheshimiwa Mbadhini wangu will you ensure security here not encroached vayandu ma panga na kuilobi kana kundukungi metila kilungu dengo muya nye mwene ni governor nileva na mwanza ko yendike ya sahihi kithekachu ketwelwa mundu athinacho na ndwenge makuliti ila naiba governor first term onayu nenge na monze nemea kitheka kini jandu ma Kitui na tuyamba kukinengane na latwi katika Utongo yoyu twalete kukimanage sustainably.
Ya Tabitu Ranch ni momethitwe kuma tene manenge tukitheka ki kukitumia bewa serikali cia kaunti kwambisya wala maweta mundu ala menthini wa mawetekelano asumeaniswa ni makukilio kwati kauntini ya Kitui wamona kukili ni mayandithia nthini wa kitheka kiu. Tilivoti ya Bilingo Movo Mutongo TV kuma ofisini wa governor wa kauntini ya Kitui Nito Onesmus Chalo.